Hi everybody, good morning. It's Monday, September the 22nd, and September is almost over with. Where does time go? So, update, the other smaller challenges that I have finished, I have put the money in the bank and it's sitting there. Because if I don't have the cash in sight, I don't want to spend it. But if it's in the bank, no, if the cash is in sight, I want to spend it. But if it's in the bank, I leave it alone. So I will give you an update on that. And I think we got $26 that we're going to be working with today. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. I'm still a little croupy with all this crazy fall allergy stuff, I believe. I'm hoping that's what it is. I have got a terrible cough, which I was informed that the new variant that is out, if you catch it, you will have a long-lasting cough afterwards. And I'm afraid I may have caught that variant because I have a continuously cough. There may be some pauses in this video because I can usually feel them when they're coming on, and it's a bad spell. It's a bad spell, guys. So we are going to get started. We wrote a 6, a 4, another 6. I have got the bank accounts all set up. Well, the bank account set up. I also set up a savings account. And what I plan, well, I'm just going to throw that everywhere. And what I'm planning on doing with that is, like, if I have to use that card, it's a roundup savings challenge. So the change will go into the savings account. We have been saving aluminum cans. We have been trying to recycle. Well, it looks like 5 is going to get all the money. Let me restart that. We are recycling cans. Sorry, guys. I felt that tickle coming on. I had to hit the pause button. I didn't do anything. I wrote the 1, I left it, and then started coughing. We are recycling cans, and that is bringing in a little bit of cash, so you'll see some of this is from recycling. Come on, I need this tea. I have been helping my friend out at the store, at her restaurant. I just go in and make some, like mashed potatoes, coleslaw, and stuff like that. Oh my gosh, it looks like number 2 ain't going to get anything today. Oh, there we go. At least it got a 1. Okay. Wow. Poor little old Alaska only got $1 today. I do fill some of these in off camera when I don't do a video. If I get like a couple of dollars, I'll just grab one out of the bag and put the money in there. Okay, we'll start with October. I think I'll start with a different color with October. We will go with green. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in October. So I will color this 2 and this 3. So now this challenge has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It's got 17 in it. Poor old Alaska only got 1. I did finish Alabama, and Alabama's money went into the bank. So Alaska has now got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Has got 21 in it. This is one that is a collab. 1, 2, 3. It gets 3, so I'm just going to color in this 3 right here. This one right here is a Thanksgiving tradition collab with Donna, powered by oh my God, Creative. I'm just going to let y'all read that because I can't talk today for some reason. The Crafty Saver and Lisa Grateful Me. I mean, it is so cute. Okay, this one over here is from Pennies from Heaven. And it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to do, let's go down here and do this 4 here. I'll do a 4. And I'll jump up here and do a 1. And then this one is this one's from Pennies from Heaven also. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll do 2, 4, 6, 7. I just love the little farm animals. Sorry if y'all can hear the cats in the background. They're being a little Yankee today. If I could quit coughing, I could get through this today. So, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll do 2, 4, and 5. And just change it up a little bit. Sorry guys, I know my throat is all scratchy and stuff. It's just whatever I had or got is just horrible. So like I said guys, these challenges, when they're finished, the money will go into the bank, and I will come over here. Isn't this beautiful? I want to come over here and with one of these budget by paychecks that is in here, the total amount at the end of the month that I have. I want to write the date over here, and then this over here is going to be savings challenges, the amount that's in the bank, and then I will show you what I've paid on my debt in here to keep up with it that way. And I really love the Budget Mom by Paycheck this year. I had to get it because of the bees and because her mom Shirley. So guys, that's it for today, and I hope you all stick with me throughout this journey of paying off debt, and I will catch you guys later. Please be safe this week. Stay alert. Just keep your eyes to the sky. I love you guys. Bye.